polishing of a restoration is a crucial step in restorative dentistry. Whether the restoration is composite, porcelain, or metal, Maxill's Ohio Forge polishing system supports a task-specific polishing burr for all clinical needs. In the steps of restorative dentistry, polishing burrs finish the restoration by removing surface irregularities remaining from the trimming burr. An unpolished restoration attracts unwanted bacterial plaque and unnecessary friction and wear. Maxill's Ohio Forge polishing burrs solves these clinical implications by offering a vast variety of polishing burr shapes and textures, each dedicated to a specific polishing task. Large flame polishes border surfaces. Small flame polishes refined small areas. Cup polishes convex parts of the restoration. Knife edge polishes spaces and ridges. Strive on organization? Maxill's Ohio Forge delivers simplified arrangement for optimal efficiency with 2 designated autoclave burr block kits. Maxill Ohio Forge polishing burrs, an effective, economical, organized system delivering a high clinical performance for quality restorative dentistry.